Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to go over real quick. I found something that was really cool at the dollar store. So if you followed any video, I installed this windshield wiper on my RZR 800 just last week, and I decided to try and fix. You can see the cracked corner in this image. The plexiglass was cracked, broken actually, and the only thing that was really holding it together is the big washers that you're seeing there. They're kind of like a clamp. So that was totally cracked, total space. If you go back and check my other videos, I mean, it's totally disengaged, separate piece. So I unscrewed that clamp, pulled the piece apart, and I'll tell you what, for Christmas this past year, I bought everybody stocking stuffers, and I was in the dollar store, and I found this super glue. It comes in single-use little packages here, as you can see, the tubes, and there's 4. I mean, I think you can find it in the one as well, single. But I bought the 4-pack stocking stuffer. For $1 or whatever, between $1, $1.50. This, forget about every infomercial, forget about any adhesive you've ever used to date. This stuff is the shit. I'm going to tell you that right now. I used it once before this. I forget what the heck I tried to glue, but literally within 3 seconds I had myself glued to myself. I was annoyed, but happy at the same time. This stuff cures and dries stupid fast and stupid strong. Forget about JB Weld. Unless you're doing some extreme heat stuff, which I haven't tested, I just might do it. I just might test this on a muffler system or an exhaust system. That's how much I believe in this. So basically, I took the piece off, put glue on both sides of the edges of my plexiglass, put it back together, and waited about 5 to 10 seconds, and let it alone, let it sit. I even let it sit for about another 5 to 10 minutes before I decided to clamp it back on. That's just common sense. But this stuff, and then what I did was also, after about a minute of it, letting it cure, I then ran the tip of the glue tube over the edges and squeezed some in, and I watched the edges just suck it right into the crack. And I could watch it just self-heal and fill in any air gaps, anything. And then, man, I was like, okay, let that stuff go. And you could see tape. I didn't need the tape. I just felt like doing it for good measure. I had that stringy tape crap hanging around, so I taped over it. Obviously, it makes it look worse or better. I consider it a battle scar, kind of like stitches. But this stuff does not need that. I just did that for good measure. And within 10 minutes, I clamped this all back up again. And, man, I put some pressure on it. It's fairly strong. It's amazing. All right. This stuff is just amazing. Go get it. Use it for everything you need to, anything that's broken, coffee mugs, anything. This stuff is good. Go get it. It's not your old man's super glue. All right, this is not your granddad's super glue. This stuff is awesome. So go by a dollar store, pick this stuff up. I'm down to, as you can see, I got 1 tube left, and I am going to go pick up another one. Here's a bigger size. I just kind of zoomed in, just show you what it looks. Be careful, guys. Be very careful. As a matter of fact, you can see on the label, bonds skin instantly. I will guarantee you, I stuck myself to myself instantly the first time I used it. Be very careful. Be warned. Be very careful. It's amazing. Okay, the next thing I did, I also I had a clearance issue with the roof of my RZR, and because I installed the windshield wiper, it was right under the overhang of the roof, which is hard plastic. So I decided to use this little mini torch, a butane torch. I threw some heat on it. It actually catches fire, but not like out of control. So I torched it, stuck some pliers in there to bend it out, and basically just let it burn till I got it into a moldy shape, and then just kind of blew the flame out and just waited till it cooled down. And now I have a nice outer dent there that's over my windshield wiper cap because it was kind of catching. So I had to kind of get that, either cut it out or I decided to remold it basically. So I did that, and that's what it looks like. So instead of cutting it, I just kind of remolded it with the heat. And so that's it. Those are the last two modifications I made to the Frankenbeast. Go get the glue. It's amazing. Hit the like button, please. Leave a comment. Somebody leave a comment. I get no comments on my videos. I don't even care if it's negative. You'll never offend me. I also check back. I have one more. I'll show you how I mounted up the my hose sprayer in the back trunk there. The back. I don't know, what do you call it? In the back of the RZR, I'll show you. So, hit the like button. Subscribe to this damn channel already. I only got like 13 subscribers. Trying to get, let's try and, I don't know, let's shoot for a low bar here. 15 subscribers, what I would like to see. Thank you. Have a good day. Hope this helps.